Today, we are going to be working with a 100s chart, which is a good thing because we are preparing for our 100 day of school on Thursday. So let's go ahead and get started. If you have out page 231, if you turn to page 231 in your math book, that's where we're working from today for our lesson. So we'll be doing page 231 all the way to 234 for our lesson, and then I will let you do 235 and 236 on your own. All right, so here we go. On page 231, you see that 100 chart. All right, the directions, and this is kind of like what we did with that 50 chart. The directions say that we should touch and count from 1 to 25 and then color those blue. So first, let's go ahead and touch and count from 1 to 25. And I'll touch and count on the computer, and you can go ahead and touch and count on your paper. All right, so go ahead and put your pointer finger right on that number 1, and let's go to 25 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We did it. All right, it says to use blue, but I have a purpley color here. So you are supposed to color in 1 to 25 blue. So go ahead and you work on that now, and I'll work on this. It's hard to get 1 to 25 all colored in blue. All right. Now, if any time during the video you need to stop the video so that you can get caught up and do all your coloring, feel free to do that. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep going. And the next direction says that we're supposed to touch and count from 26 to 68 on our 100 chart. So we're starting at 26 and we're counting to 68. So here we go. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. We made it. All right, this time it says that this is supposed to be orange. So from 28 all the way to 68, it's supposed to be orange. So let's go ahead and do that right now. You work on yours and I'll work on mine. All the way here to 68 should be orange. If you need to stop to get caught up, go ahead and do that. All of those numbers from 26 to 68. All right. Now, our next direction says that we're supposed to use yellow. All right, so you can get out your yellow. I don't have a choice of yellow up here. I'm just going to pick my green one. So, because they didn't give me a yellow to work with. Now, we are supposed to start at 69. We're supposed to count all the way down to 100, starting at 69. Here we go. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, and again, we're supposed to color that in yellow, but I don't have a yellow, so I'm going to use my green. And you know what? I loved listening to you guys count last week when we were doing our Google Meets. That was good. Nice to hear that you guys have been practicing getting all the way to 100. So you were doing yellow all the way from 69 to 100. If you need to stop it and get caught up, go right ahead. I'm going to turn the page. We are now on page 232, page 232. And they are asking us, I'm going to grab my pen here. It's going to be green. They're asking us to go from 1 to 10, only 1 to 10, green. So here we go. Put your finger on the number 1 and let's count all the way to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is green, my friends, green. There it is, green, my favorite color. All right, asking us to grab a purple crayon now. And with your purple crayon, they are asking you first to touch and count 11 to 35. So 35, 11 to 35. Ready? Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, we made it. So this is supposed to be purple. All right, so 11, we'll cut over here to 35. 11 to 35 is supposed to be this purpley color. Mine's kind of a purpley blue, like a blue violet there. So 11 to 35 is blue or purple. Sorry about that. And I grab my orange because I'm getting ready for my next direction. This direction says we're going to color from 36 to 62. We're going to go to 62, 36 to 62. So put your finger on that 36 and let's start counting. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. All right, so let's go ahead and we're supposed to make that orange. One of our kindergarten standards, and it's a national kindergarten standard, says that we should be able to start counting anywhere on this 100 chart. And that's what we're practicing right now. We didn't start counting at 1 that time. We started counting at 36. And it's one of the things that they say kindergartners should be able to do is to start anywhere on that 100 chart and keep counting from there. So this is good practice for us. Now, the next part says we need a brown crayon. So you probably have a brown. I don't. They didn't give me a brown. So I'm going to use this black color here. And the last direction for this page says we're going to start at 63. Starting at 63, and then we'll count all the way down to 100. All right, so here we are, 63. Put your finger right on that 63. Starts with a 6. All the numbers in the 60s are going to start with a 6, and then it has a 3 in the ones place, 63. Ready? 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We did it. All right. You guys are supposed to make from 63 all the way to 100 brown. I have to improvise with my black color crayon here. And I will make this black. If you need to stop, pause the video so you can get all caught up with your coloring, that's cool. Otherwise, I'm going to turn the page now. So now we're on page 233. Page 233. And there's not as much coloring on this page because some of the things we're going to be leaving blank. All right. Before we get started coloring, I did want to talk to you a little bit because I know when we were counting, I want you to take a look at this very last column, the numbers that you use when you count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so those numbers that start with a 1, those are those teen numbers with a 2, 20s, 30s, 40s start with a 4, 50s start with a 5, 60s start with a 6, 70s start with a 7. Do you hear it in there? 80s start with an 8, and 90s start with a 9. So if you get stuck, let's say on 39, you're thinking, okay, it's in the 30s and those start with a 3. Think about, okay, so the next group of numbers are going to start with a 4, 40. Or if you get stuck on 49, think, oh, okay, the next group of numbers will start with a 5, so it'll be 50. All right, lots of good patterns on that 100 chart. Okay, so for this first one, they're asking us to count from 1 to 15. 1 only to 15. So get that pointer finger ready, put it right on your number 1 on your paper, and let's count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we counted to 15. All right. It's not asking us to color any of that in. So that's kind of why I just drew that line there. So I knew that we got to 15. The next direction says that we are going to use red. So you get out your red crayon, your red, to color in 16 to 36. 16 to 36. So we're going to be starting at 16. We're going to go all the way down to 36. I don't have a red. I'm going to grab an orange. All right, here we go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So right there is where we stopped counting for 36. I want you to notice something. All of the numbers in this column end with a 6. So they all have a 6 in their ones spot. We started at 16 that ended with a 6, and we started with 16 and we ended with 36, which also has a 6 in the ones place. It's that way for all of the columns on the 100 chart. Just another one of those patterns that's so cool in a 100 chart. Every number in that column ends with a 2, this one with a 3, a 4, and see how it goes in counting order? Oh, I love 100 charts. They are so cool. All the patterns. I love math, though. I don't mind being called a math geek. Math geeks rule the world. All right, so we circled from 16 to 36, or I circled from 16 to 36, and then we'll color that in. And you're supposed to be using red. I'm improvising with an orange because I don't have a red. And then the next set of directions say we're counting from 37 to 47. And we are not coloring that in at all. So we're going to start at 37 and we're going to end at 47, which is right below it. Check it out. Check out that pattern. 37, 47. Well, then there's 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. Ah, cool patterns. All right, let's start at 37. Put your finger right on that 37. Let's do it. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. We did it. All right, that's where we stopped. Now it says grab a blue crayon. So I'll go up here and grab this purpley blue thing. And it says we're going to count from 48 to 68. Check it out. Here's 48, then 58, then there's 68, all in the same column. I'm loving this. All right, here we go. Put your finger on the 48. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. We did it. All right, this is all supposed to be blue. So we're going to go ahead and put this all in blue. I am. Oh. So 47. There it is. So that part wasn't supposed to be colored in. They didn't want us to color anything at all. 100 charts are a lot of fun to look at all the patterns that are available on there. All right. So now our next direction, I'm going to go grab my black again here, says we're counting from 69 to 79. So check this out. There's 69 and there's 79 right below it. 69, 79, and if you keep going, 89 and 99. Cool. All right, start counting with me. Put your finger on that 69, and we're going to count to 79. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Good job. All right, the next thing it's telling us to do is to find your yellow crayon. So find your yellow crayon. I guess I'll use a green since I don't have a yellow. And it says we're counting all the way from 80 to 100. Check it out. There's 80, 90, 100. So you are counting from 80 to 100. Here we go. Put your finger on the 80. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And that is supposed to be for you. It's supposed to be yellow. For me, it's going to be green. So 80 to 100. And that's what our chart will look like when we're all done. Feel free to stop and get caught up with your coloring. I know yours is probably looking way better than mine is right now. All right, I am turning the page. I am now on page 234. And oh, this is fun stuff. We get to do another dot to dot. So we'll do a dot to dot. And this time we're starting at number 72. See down here at the bottom of the jungle gym? We're starting at 72 and we're going to count to 90. So put your pencil point right on the 72 and let's do this. Ready? 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. You just finished that jungle gym. All right, so today you will be doing, looks very familiar, doesn't it? Check out that 100 chart. You might want to be, even before you get started, check out some of those cool patterns that we talked about. You'll be doing page 235 and page 236 on your own for your homework. And when you're all done, you can upload your work to Schoology.